Good morning, dear students. Welcome to EduStar's online class. You're watching Class 4 Science. Today, we will see the revision for Lesson 6 Teeth and Dental Care. This is Part 1. Do you remember, kids, what we have learnt in this lesson? Let us discuss. Teeth are a very important part of our body. Teeth give shape to our face, help us to bite and chew food, help us to speak clearly, right? We are born without teeth, so we cannot eat and chew the food as infants. We live on milk. Our first tooth appear when we are between 7 and 8 months old. Then we start to eat solid food. By the end of 2 years, we have our first full set of 20 teeth. They are called milk teeth or primary teeth. By the age of 6 or 7 years, milk teeth begin to fall. Another set of larger teeth replace them. By the time we are 21 years, we have a full set of 32 teeth. If they fall off, they do not grow back. They are called permanent teeth. Every adult usually has a set of 32 teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. The upper and lower jaws have identical kinds of teeth. Next one, kinds of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth inside the mouth. These are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Each type of tooth has a separate function. They differ from size, shape, and number. First one, incisors. Incisors are present in the front of each jaw. These are 4 in each jaw. They are the first set of teeth we have in the mouth. These have a sharp, straight cutting edge to cut and bite the food. Herbivores have big incisors. Deer and other animals that tear out plants have incisors only in their lower jaw. Squirrels and others who gnaw their food have sharp incisors in both their jaws. Animals that eat insects have long incisors. This helps them to pick their prey out of the soil. Next one, canines. There are 2 canines in each jaw. They are present on either side of the incisors in each jaw. They are very sharp and pointed. They help tear the food. For this reason, they are called tearing teeth. They are sharper and bigger in flesh eating animals. The next one is premolars. These are 4 premolars in each jaw. They are next to the canines. They are broad and flat. These teeth help us to crack and crush the food like nuts. They are also called cracking teeth. The next one is molars. These are 6 molars in each jaw. They are next to the premolars. They are bigger and broader than premolars. They help grind the food. They are also called grinding teeth. In herbivores and omnivores, both premolars and molars are flat and help to chew. Next one, structure of a tooth. When we open our mouth and look in the mirror, we can see our teeth. The soft gums hold our teeth tightly at their place. Each tooth has two parts, crown and root. The part of the tooth that we see is crown, and the part of inside the gum is called root. The outside white covering of the tooth is called enamel. This is the hardest material in the human body. The layer inside the enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth is called dentine. The center of a tooth is called bulb. It lies inside the dentine. This is soft and has blood vessels and nerves. Next one, tooth decay. When we eat, small bits of food may stick between our teeth. When we do not brush our teeth properly, these stuck food rots and our teeth get covered with a thin sticky layer of germs called plaque. This plaque reacts with the sugar present in the food to produce acid, which affects the tooth enamel and start decaying it. This is called tooth decay. It causes holes and cavities in the enamel and dentine. As a result, the nerves and the blood vessels in the bulb get exposed. When any hot or cold things comes in contact with these exposed nerves, we get a toothache. Thus, tooth decay causes the following: toothache, loss of teeth, bleeding gums, holes or cavity in the mouth, stomach disorders. Sometimes people lose their entire set of teeth and wear artificial teeth called dentures. Therefore, it is important to follow the rules of dental care. Teeth are a very important part of our body. We must take care of our teeth to prevent tooth decay. We should follow some rules. First one, we must brush our teeth at least twice a day. In the morning and at night before going to the bed. Brushing teeth with a good toothpaste and toothbrush is very important to keep them clean. They should be brushed at least twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. The front and back of teeth should be brushed in a regular circular up and down motion. Change the toothbrush when it is worn out, usually after a month. Gargle and rinse your mouth after every meal. Use your mouthwash and dental floss if possible. Many of us get cavities even when we brush regularly and properly. This is because we do not floss our teeth. Flossing removes food particles stuck between our teeth that cannot be removed by brushing. A dental floss is a piece of string that is moved back and forth through the spaces between our teeth. We should floss our teeth every day. Avoid eating too many candies and chocolates. The germs present inside our mouth love sugar. The longer sugary foods stay in our mouth, the more damage it causes. So, we should not eat too many toffees, chocolates, and other food items that contain a lot of sugar. We should also brush our teeth after we have eaten sweets. Prevention is better than cure. Visit a dentist once in 6 months to get your teeth checked. This way, small problems can be treated immediately before they becoming big. For example, a small cavity can be filled up before it affects the whole tooth. Teeth that are not kept clean get covered with a yellow substance called tartar. This can be removed by dentist. Drink milk and eat food items that are rich in calcium, such as cheese, eggs, fruits, etc. Eat lots of salads and fruits. By following these simple rules, our teeth can be always remain clean, bright and sparkling. Okay, students? This is a time for quiz. Here we will discuss the answer for the given questions. First one, types of tooth. What is number 1 is called canines. Number 2 is called molars. Number 3 premolars. Number 4 incisors. Next one, circle the correct answer. Tooth decay causes toothache, holes in the teeth, both of these. So tooth decay causes toothache as well as holes in the teeth, right? So the answer is C. Molars are also called tearing teeth, cutting teeth or grinding teeth. Answer is grinding teeth. The center of each tooth is called dentine, bulb, crown. The answer is bulb. Yellow substance that covers the teeth, if they are not clean, is called tartar. We must floss our teeth every month, every day or every week. We should floss our teeth every day. Sweets and chocolates dash our teeth, spoil our teeth, make our teeth clean. So, answer is spoil our teeth. A newborn baby has 20 teeth, 30 teeth or no teeth. Newborn baby has no teeth. There are dash premolars in each jaw in an adult. 4. The hardest substance in our body is crown, root or enamel. Answer is enamel. Milk has dash that makes our teeth strong. Calcium. Okay, students. We will write the worksheet in the next part. Okay. I'll give the worksheet in the next part. No need to write this in your worksheet. This is not a worksheet. This is only quiz for you. Okay. Remaining things we will discuss in the next part as well as worksheet also. Thank you, students. Have a good day.